Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on Neil Plays Roblox, and this is another NASCAR video. We're going to be racing as Denny Hamlin, and I don't know, it's just going to be like a gameplay, I guess, because I really do not know what to do, because I have to go to Kumon, like in about like half an hour, so I'll shoot this video. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, like the video to be in the next giveaway, like I always say. And yeah, enjoy the video. So what I'm just gonna do is not ladder this time, but I can just do like no, not multiplayer, but like I actually do not know. I'll just go on easy first, and then I'll start on hard. We're racing about Denny Hamlin again, and yeah. Comment below and in the next video of NASCAR stock car racing, what driver should I be next, and just enjoy the NASCAR video and just get comfy. And yeah, green flag's in the air, I guess. Alright, I changed the color. Oh, hey, why you guy, I think it was 31 no, that was the 20 car, I think, but Matt Kenseth. I changed my color of Denny Hamlin, but yeah, I think the purple. Oh, okay, I'm going too fast. I'm going so fast. I'm going at bullet speed or at speed of light. Okay, I'm feeling. Alright, 62 cars in the lead. Like about 2 seconds before the 14 of Stewart or Boyer. We passed the 10 car. Okay, it's too laggy, so I can't drive that good. But yeah, I think we're going to see if we can do it. 3 laps to go. We're in 5th place. With Kyle Larson, 42. Or 43 of Eric Almirola. No! Oh wow, that's a hard hit. That was such a hard hit. I don't know what happened. Oh my god, I can't. Why does that always happen to me? Like, I always crash. And it's always like on the final lap or something, so yeah, I don't really expect what to do there. Yeah, so we still have about 1 lap to go. I'm just gonna see if I can try like pushing him to be in the front. Okay, right, too laggy. Oh my god, sorry, Eric. I mean, the 23 car. He's going to turn you around. 21 of STP, I think. STP. Yeah, 62 car of, I think, Ned Jarrett. Yeah. Alright, we're on the last lap. We still have, yeah, I'm see if I can, I'm 7th place, which is not, it's not good. It's not good. Okay, there's crash on the track over there. So we go. Okay, that was a 21, I think, right? Yeah, 21 still. Okay, now he's on the track. And there was one right there. Sorry guys if it lagged.
Great job.
Alright, we're doing donuts already, even if we got $80, so yeah, I'm gonna spend it on, I don't know what to spend it on actually. Let me see. No, not repairing. I think I'm good already. We still have, I guess we got FedEx Express. Yeah, I don't think I can save it. No. Easy. Because last time we did hard and I didn't even realize it was easy. So we're doing it easy. $225 prize. First place, 7,300, regular 5 lap, and green flags in the air. Alright, where? 21 car? You know that already? And I hit him at the back of the rear of his car. Alright, I think this race is better. 4th place already. Okay, crash on the track. Sorry, bro. I didn't mean to. The 14 of Boyer. You want to have nicely. Okay, that was still like I was so quiet I didn't even realize that I wasn't even talking. I didn't even know the video was recording. So yeah, we lapped some people. Look at how slow these peeps are going. We're gonna lap 66 car. I just wanna see. Wait. Okay, wait. Alright, 14's. I lapped him, so I don't think he can get me. I'm getting everyone crashed. You can see the smoke coming. 14 cars still behind me, but I don't think he'll go. We still have one more lap. Oh, okay, 6. Oh, Newman, you're not gonna go this time. 7th place, 7, I think. 7 car, get turned around. Is the 6 involved? I think no, he isn't. On the last lap. Okay, crash. Sorry, I didn't mean to. And then crash on another crash right here. Sorry, oh my, holy crap, bro. The car went flipping. I don't feel good right now. Oh my god, this on his roof. Someone's on his roof. Oh my god. Okay, I can't believe that we saw a car flipping on his roof and landed on his wheels again. On my roof. Holy crap, that was actually sick. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and like it to be in the next giveaway. And bye guys.